Hey people, so I have these two little cutie pies here, and it just feels so nice to see so many of my rabbits here. Yeah, may God always keep them happy and safe. And normally from that corner there, you have some dogs, a dog that appears sometimes, but that's what rabbits, they should be allowed to live their life also, because if I'm perennially scared, then that won't be a good thing, right? So this is how it is. My God, I will be able to catch them at a later point to keep them back, but right now it's just 5 o'clock, so I want them to run about until it is time to head home. So it's important, they also need this exercise time. Yeah, and earlier it's a whole horde of kids that would come. They might come up here now, but right now I see he's so happy. I think he recognizes the camera, the big gray one. He's the papa rabbit, he's the most fertile rabbit. This is the mummy rabbit. So yeah, on that note, oh look at this, he's posing for the camera. Yeah, like for real. Oh my God, this is so interesting. Yeah, this is such an interesting observation. Oh my God, wow.